Morning guys! So eto na naman tayo, si Ate Mara. Good morning to everyone! Hello, hello! So ngayong umaga guys, ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung bagong version ko po ng macaroni salad. So maglalagay tayo ng, grocery ko pa lang. So I have to prepare bacon, ham, macaroni salad with a twist para po sa aking apo. So check tayo guys. Okay, tingnan nyo na lang po kung anong i-unbox ko dito. I just came from the wet market and the supermarket. Okay, so number one, syempre yung main ingredients natin ay elbow macaroni. Okay, elbow macaroni. Then, bumili ako ng dalawang klaseng pickle relish. Pickle relish. Yung isa may brand, yung isa ayan. Okay, so pickle relish. Let's see kung ano yung tamang-tamang paggamit niyan. And then I bought, this is my coffee. Kape lang. Kape, akin yan guys. Kape ko. And for the massage. So, gagamit tayo ng keso. Okay? Gamit tayo ng keso. And then, ito yung binili ko na ham. 250 grams. I don't know kung maubos ko to. Basta gagamit tayo ng sweet ham. Ito naman yung all bacon strips. Bacon. Ano to? 250 grams ito. Ubusin ko to gamit. Siguro yung ham, magtitira ako. And then, yan yung mga, and then I bought, gamit tayo ng creamer. Lagyan natin ng isang, creamer. And, let's see kung ilan ang magamit natin sa sa all-purpose cream mayonnaise dressing kasi tatlo po ang binili ko. Kasi this is 1 kilo but I'm not sure kung 1 kilo ko siya. Tansya lang kasi para hindi ma-overwhelm yung mga mayonnaise po to pang dressing. So may yogurt, may mayonnaise, may creamer. Bumili ako ng dalawang klaseng yogurt, blueberry at isang strawberry. I-mix natin to kasama with the mayonnaise. At saka maglalagay ako ng isang oyster sauce. Panimpla ba? And gamit tayo lalagyan ko siya ng twist. Isang lata ng whole kernel corn. Yung hindi yung cream style na basta buo na kernel ng mais. Okay? And then, original to na branded to na pamintang durog. Konting pamintang durog para medyo mag-iba yung lasa ng macaroni salad. And yung iba ko naman na binili, mga for personal use na, may 3-in-1 tayo. So this is the cheese. Meron tayong, yung mga personal ko lang gamit sa kitchen. Toyo, palm oil, at saka ba, yung creamer ko para sa coffee ko. Siyempre, pag may kape, may creamer. Tapos yung syempre brown sugar. So alam niyo po tip ko sa inyo ha. Hindi po masama na kung ano lang po yung kaya natin. Doon tayo pumunta sa supermarket na kaya lang po ng budget natin. Near my place, very very good ang one day baka mag-vlog ako niyan why did I chose to buy a property in Lysandra. Baka or iba-vlog ko yan, iko-content ko yan. But anyway, to make the story short, malapit ako sa lahat. Wala pang 1 minute, may pandisalan kami dyan. Tapos, dito sa bahay ko, mga ilang minuto lang, talipapa. Tapos, tabi nun, Dali. Ewan ko lang kung may Dali somewhere in other places. But in the Philippines, we have Dali. And there is Aldi. Ini-invert nila. In Australia naman, may Aldi doon. It's a big supermarket. May mga vegetables, may fruits and condiments and everything that you can find. But ganun po yun. So going back to my macaroni salad, yan lang po guys. In-unbox ko lang sa inyo. And there are many ways to prepare. Maraming paraan para many ways to prepare a macaroni salad. You can either use chicken if you like. What I will do with the bacon and the ham. Matigas pa po yung ham eh. Yeah, I have to render them. Slice ko sila ng maliit. I have to put them sa kawali para lumabas yung oil nila at para medyo maging crunchy sila. That is a secret. Yung crunch ng bacon and ham, mix that all together. Maybe I will cut it in strips, mga maliliit lang na mga pahaba na ganon. i-fry mo siya sa kawali para to get that crunch. Yung crunchy siya, yung medyo malutong. Wow, yan po ang secret. So, good luck guys. I'll show you the finished product later on pag natapos ko po yung aking bacon, ham, macaroni salad with the rest of the beautiful things that I bought in the market. So take care guys. Inviting you guys to check my channel out. Water Sign Vlog. Please give it a like. Give a thumbs up guys. And of course, please subscribe to my channel. And I'll try my very best na mag-upload tayo ng mga magaganda na video. Maikli lang siya pero mahalaga, makabuluhan. And special shout out to my followers and people that I support in Misamis Oriental. Support nyo po yung channel ng Doy Vlog, Mercy Channel, Mother Earth, Lilin Buhay Bukid channel, something like that. Mayamiya, these people, these vloggers, and another one, and I think Bukid vlog, something like that. Si Lang and her husband Brian, something like that. And again, I'm inviting you to check my channel out, Water Sign Vlog. This is Ate Mara. Take care everyone and have a nice day. Good vibes lang, stay positive and wag isip ng isip. I love you guys. Mwah. Bye!